All right, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So, really quickly, wanted to pop in, check in with you all, and tell you that I am driving for, well, will be driving for Uber and for Lyft again. I'm in the process of getting my accounts back. For Uber, they basically, my background check isn't through yet, but what I'm doing, I just wanted to keep you all aware. By the way, everybody right now, go sign up for Solo. They have a promo going on for the rest of the month where if you use our link to sign up, they're gonna send you $15, which that does end at the end of the month. So you do it right now, and it does drop to $10, I think, next month. But for right now, when you link your gig account, they're gonna send you $15. It's a business app for gig workers. It's totally free. And they have this, they're new. Harry Campbell is one of the investors, anyway, from the Rideshare Guy. But yeah, check it out. But yeah, so if you guys didn't know, I got into a car accident. I'll just show you guys really quick. Why not? Why not take y'all? Oh, I don't know why my thing is stuck in here. There we go. Yeah, I got into somebody crashed into me, and this was a couple months ago. And so, you know, I recently wanted to start driving for Uber, but I can't because this is what happened. And you know, it does make a weird noise, and I did get hit pretty hard. The other car was like totaled. I'll try to pop up the other car, because the other guy was like flying into me. He crashed his car into a tree and he hit my car. I've probably put on another 5,000 miles since the accident. I mean, I did drive it to Big Bear, which was probably not a great idea, but I mean, the car drives okay. It does make kind of a weird sound, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to fix these things and pop all these things in. I mean, even that. So I'm going through insurance because whatever. It's a long story. The other guy basically denied it, and I didn't end up fighting it, so it was like kind of dumb, but yeah, so the other thing here, this was something I did, so hopefully either passengers don't care, or I can maybe get that fixed as well. I don't know, it doesn't look that bad, but it's definitely a dent there. Oh yeah, and this light doesn't work. This light is all cracked here, so I'm getting my car back in the shop. I finally, you know, about a month ago, I think I made a video asking for advice. A lot of you guys said fix it yourself, but I don't have time to do that, and not even time, I just don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna be driving again, and I'm actually pretty excited. I'm gonna start doing rides again, and I'm gonna get a dash cam and try to start recording my rides and just showing my earnings and seeing what it's really like out there right now, because I haven't driven in a little while, which is very ironic because I have this channel. But it's like my car, you know, I can't drive for Uber or Lyft. So yeah, that's the plan. Just want to keep you guys updated and let you know that's, you know, I'm gonna try to be driving for Uber and Lyft. Well, I should be ready. So my car goes in the shop on Monday. So in about a week, a little bit less than a week. And then it should be in the shop for maybe a week or two, maybe 2 weeks. So at that point, I'll get the car back, should signed up, do my inspection, upload my insurance documents, and I should be good to go. So I'm excited, guys. I need to get a dash cam. Let me know what dash cam you guys think is the best. And then other than that, I think I'm good. I got Play Octopus set up here already, even though the car, I mean, yeah, obviously we'll be using Play Octopus. Sign up link below if you want. And also let me know any advice right now that you guys have for, you know, driving out rideshare. Just a little background. I'm in Southern California, near Los Angeles, more like Orange County, where, you know, I'm not really in the city, but let me know any tips, tricks you guys have for me for going out and driving. I'm driving a 2011 Ford Escape. Oh, I think this car expires at the end of the year. I only think I have a couple more years on this car. Then I can only drive Uber Eats. Dang, that's gonna stink. I just realized that. I'm gonna have to trade this car in to get a newer car. Yeah, it is 2011. I think it expires at the end of this year. Hopefully not. I don't know. I need to actually check in on that. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. We are now posting on Instagram and TikTok on the Rideshare Hub. Just type in Rideshare Hub on either of those apps. And yeah, guys, talk to you soon.